You're listening to Financial Market Insights for Traders with your host, Sophia. And today's episode is one that hits close to home for many in the trading community. Let's say you've studied the charts, timed your entries, executed your trades, and finally booked a win. But when you go to withdraw your profits, your broker suddenly becomes a ghost. No payout, no timeline, just silence, or worse, excuses. Today's episode is titled Withdrawal Woes: What to Do When Your Digital Options Broker Won't Pay. If you're facing this kind of nightmare or want to avoid it entirely, listen closely. Segment 1: Understanding Why It Happens. Let's start by unpacking the why. Why would a broker, especially one that advertises itself as professional and trustworthy, refuse to pay your legitimate withdrawal? There are a few common reasons. Some are administrative, others are red flags for scams. Here's what you need to watch for. Number 1, verification issues. Many brokers require Know Your Customer, or KYC, compliance. That means ID checks, proof of address, and sometimes even proof of deposit. If your documents are unclear or missing, they'll stall your withdrawal. It's annoying, but it's legal and solvable. Number 2, bonus terms. If you accepted a trading bonus, read the fine print. Some brokers attach outrageous volume requirements to those bonuses. Until you hit that volume, your withdrawal can be denied, even if your account is in profit. Number 3, unregulated or offshore brokers. This is the worst case scenario. Some brokers operate without licenses. No oversight, no rules. These firms can delay or outright deny your withdrawals, and there's no higher authority holding them accountable. Number 4, account restrictions. If your broker flags your activity as suspicious, they may freeze your funds. This could be legit, like if you're trading from a blacklisted IP or completely arbitrary. Even regulated brokers can get this wrong. And finally, technical or banking issues. Sometimes it's just a slow payment processor. Other times, it's a convenient excuse to stall your payout indefinitely. So what do you do when a broker won't pay? Let's get into the action plan. Segment 2, step by step, getting your money back. Step 1, contact customer support. Sounds obvious, but this is where you build your paper trail. Avoid live chat. Use email. Document everything. Be firm, be professional, and ask for a clear explanation. Pro tip: if they're vague, ask for a timeline. If they blame technical issues, ask for specifics. Don't accept canned responses. Step 2, submit all verification documents. Get ahead of the KYC excuse by submitting a valid government-issued ID, a proof of address, and proof of your deposit. Screenshot everything. If they delay after you've sent the documents, escalate. Step 3, escalate the issue. First, reach out to the broker's compliance department. Most legit brokers have one. If that fails, go public. Post your story on Trustpilot, Forex Peace Army, Reddit, or even Twitter. Use hashtags. Tag the broker. Public pressure works. Brokers care about their reputations, especially if they're trying to attract new traders. Also, reach out to trading forums. Communities like Binary Options, Net, Baby Pips, or Elite Trader may have members who've dealt with the same broker. You might learn something they won't tell you. Step 4, file a complaint with the regulator. If your broker claims to be regulated, check which authority. If it's SEC, the FCA, the CFTC, or ASIC, you can file a formal complaint. Include screenshots, emails, dates, anything that shows your withdrawal is being delayed unfairly. Now, if the broker isn't regulated, you're in murky waters, but you still have options. Step 5, initiate a chargeback. If you deposited using a credit or debit card, contact your bank. Ask for a chargeback under the category Services Not Rendered. Provide your documentation. Act fast. Most banks give you about 120 days from the transaction date. This won't always work, but for many traders, it's the move that gets results. Step 6, use a mediation service. There are services like My Chargeback or Broker Complaint Registry. They'll charge a fee, or take a cut if they recover your funds, but they know how to navigate these disputes, especially with international brokers. Step 7, legal action. If you've lost a large sum, 5 figures or more, it might be worth consulting a lawyer. Some firms offer free case assessments for financial fraud. If the broker is based in your jurisdiction, a legal letter might be enough to prompt action. Segment 3, how to avoid this in the future. Let's shift gears. Prevention is better than recovery. So, how do you avoid this situation next time? First, stick with regulated brokers. Always, always check a broker's regulatory status, not just what's listed on their website. Look it up on the actual regulator's site. Second, start small. Don't go all in on your first deposit. Start with a small amount. Place a trade, then request a withdrawal. If they process it quickly and without excuses, that's a green flag. Third, avoid bonus traps. Many withdrawal issues stem from hidden bonus terms. Just say no to free money unless you fully understand the terms and you're okay with the restrictions. Fourth, read reviews, not just star ratings. Read real user experiences. If multiple traders say a broker delayed their withdrawals or locked their accounts, believe them. Segment 4, a broker that gets it right. Now, if you're looking for a broker that consistently pays without excuses, check out crystalballmarkets.com. They've built a solid reputation for fast withdrawals, responsive support, and fair trading conditions. And yes, always verify that for yourself. But if you've been burned before and want to trade with peace of mind, they're worth a look. Closing thoughts. Having your withdrawal delayed or flat out denied can be infuriating, but you're not powerless. Document everything, escalate smartly, and take action quickly. And if you've been through it, share your story. You might help someone else avoid the same trap. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this episode helpful, consider subscribing and sharing with your trading network. We're here to help you trade smarter, protect your capital, and stay in control. Thanks for listening to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia, reminding you, trade smart, protect your capital, and don't let bad brokers break your momentum. Until next time, trade smart, stay sharp.